tell the story. Anyways, both the E and Nebby got downed. I was the only one left. I boarded our ship and I started bailing for dear fucking life. And somehow, some way, I was able to bail enough so that they could get back on the ship and help me repair. And the other motherfucker that kegged us, that scallywag, they sank from their own kegging.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, God, guys, I'm dead. Guys, I'm dead. Guys, I'm dead. I'm dead. Guys, no. I need a baguette and a brioche.
Here's your brioche. What are you doing? You're stuck down here in hell with us.
I don't think y'all understand how bad my head hurts. This shit hurts worse than a fucking...
You met someone more.
Oh my God.
You got someone more cringe.
Where the fuck is the llama, bitch? The fuck who gabagoo?
Infernox is going to bed. He gave himself a headache for Oh, never mind, he's back.
My face with that bullshit. You think I'm going to bed?